Flowers filled with buzzing bees and places we won't walk. Neon lights shine bold and bright. Buildings grow at dizzying heights. People come alive at night and places we won't walk.